Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited because I'm about to reveal to you my best kept secret for removing dog odor from my couch. So obviously I do allow my dogs on my couch all the time because laying and cuddling with them is something that I do enjoy, and I don't want that to change just because I'm dealing with a dog odor. So in the past, I have sprinkled baking soda and let that sit to absorb the odors. I have scrubbed it with laundry detergent. I've taken my carpet shampooer and scrubbed with that. I have used Lysol spray, I've used Febreze spray, and all other kinds of sprays, and nothing ever worked for me. I would use those and they would either cover up the smell for just a little while or they would bring out the dog odor even worse. So I'm going to show you a product that I use now that will put all these methods to rest and leave you in complete shock like it did me the first time I used it. You're just not going to believe the results. It's just an absolutely amazing product. So as you can see, I've been removing the cushion covers to throw those in the wash to get those clean, which this is probably the best method for sure. But the problem with my couch is that the back cushion covers are not removable, and that is where I struggle with dog odor the most. So before I start any odor removal, I'm gonna vacuum underneath where my cushions were. Next, I'm going to use this brush attachment on my vacuum to remove any dog hair and dust from the back cushions and the rest of the couch. Now that I'm done with that, it's time to do the odor removal. This right here is what I refer to as my liquid gold in a bottle. It's called the Everyday Odor Eliminator by EnviroCleanse. So it's very important to keep the ingredients mixed. So I'm gonna give this a really good shake and then mix it in my spray bottle. And if you're wondering where I got this spray bottle from, it did come from Grove Collaborative with one of my orders. Now that my spray is mixed, I'm gonna follow 4 steps, which are super simple. First, I'm gonna spray the product on the fabric where I want to remove the odor. And when I say spray, I mean saturate. You wanna spray it enough to where you can see a visible layer of it. So for the second step, all I'm going to do is take a cloth and rub the product into the fabric just to help it work deep down into the fibers. After that is done, it just needs to sit for 15 minutes. This carpet cleaner is called the Bissell Pro Heat Lift Off Pet, and it has a removable spot cleaner, which is what I'm going to use on my couch today for the last step. And the last step is just removing the product with a wet extractor using clean water only. As you can see, I'm spraying water onto where I applied the product, and then I'm going to extract it. There is absolutely no scrubbing required. So once I've removed all the product, I'm just going to let it air dry, and that's it. Now that the first two cushions are done, I'm going to continue with the rest of the couch. As I do this odor removal, I'm just going to do 2 cushions at a time because I do have a lot of area to cover and my hand gets really tired from spraying the solution. So this just gives me a little break in between. And I'm going to follow the same 4 steps as I did previously. Spray the solution, rub it in, let it sit for 15 minutes, and then extract it with water. So if you've seen my cleaning videos on my channel, you've probably seen that I like to use all natural safe products in my home. And that's another reason why I like this product so much. It is non-toxic and it's completely safe to use around my dogs and myself. So I don't have to worry about it being harmful to either of us, especially when I'm using it on my couch where we spend a lot of time. Now that I'm done with that, I'm just going to turn on my ceiling fans and go to bed and let this air dry overnight and finish up in the morning. So it's finally the next day and everything is dry, and now it's time to put all my covers back on my seat cushions and enjoy my couch again. The dog odor is completely gone and non-existent in my couch, as if it was never even there. And it's not like using those other methods where it just masks the odor for a while. Instead, this completely removes it the first time. Every single time I use this product, I am in complete shock, and I really truly mean that. If dog odor is something that you struggle with, the Everyday Odor Eliminator by EnviroCleanse is the way to go. It is my absolute favorite thing I have ever used to remove dog odor by far. If this is a product that you want to try in your own home to get rid of dog odor, I'll leave a link down below in the description box so you can check that out. And I also have a promo code for y'all to use to get 15% off your order. Just use KM15 at checkout. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and learned a little something along the way. If you're new, please subscribe so you can join my channel. I do cleaning, organizational, cooking, and many more videos. Check out my latest video where I clean out my kitchen sink cabinet. The before and after is unbelievable and you won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.